So I saw this article on treating post-traumatic stress disorder with the best medication and the best counseling. And I got to thinking, since I just finished this huge surgery on my knee where they put a brand new knee in for me. And so you know that the surgery was only 4 days ago. And for the last day and a half, I've taken 0 pain medication at all. And if you look, just the cutaneous layers here of stitching, I have 3 layers deep of stitching, and you see the staples. That must be pretty painful. So what I figured I'd do here is, oh, there it is, the indica one, so soft. Smells like a sachet that you would put in your bedroom to make everything smell better. So this indica is the one. It doesn't mean it's always the one. That's why you have to be experimentative. But I mean, you can easily try something that will help one kind of pain and not another. Remember, you have direct nerve pain, muscle and tissue pain, bone style pain, different sorts of pain from different areas that you have to understand what will work for it. Well, trial and error isn't the worst thing. But in this case, this indica is the one. So I don't want to overdo this, but a couple times a day of this, shut pain down for 4 hours pretty doggone well. Yeah. Nice and easy. Did you know this one? In through the mouth, out through the nose, like the Jamaicans. What that does is it runs it right past your nasal cavity, moving up through your sinuses, going right up through into the bloodstream and into the prefrontal lobe. That's also the happy lobe, where you feel spirituality and connectedness to everything. Well, we'll finish up here. Just like taking the medicine. So, yeah. So, and that's it for quite a few hours with no contraindications whatsoever. If I managed to take a nap between them, in this duration of time, that would even be the better. I already feel pain dissipating. The value here is that in seconds, you start to get results here. You can just feel the pain start to spread out and dissipate right away. And if I felt a bit of euphoria or connectedness with things, or a little chuckle at something I was watching on TV while I'm rehabbing this leg that I essentially can't even move on right now, or weight bear on right yet, just came home from the hospital, it would be a good thing to keep me here and give me a feeling of resolve in some way, that I understand what I'm doing. Cannabis also does that. I'm just saying for myself, I would consider this as a premier adjunct. Other people can do what they wish to do. What I suggest is that people do research. I'll give you a precept of wisdom before you finish. A great saint said, "The mark of a higher being is that when shown a better way, they move to it." So what we do in and of ourselves is to make research inside of ourselves and be truthful with ourselves. And by that, you will find more and more right answers. And the only thing left is to move to them.